For today's card making tip, I've just embossed this title with a beautiful black and a gold powder, just mixed it together on the wet Versamark ink. And then using my heat tool, I've heated it up, and now let's mask it up, ready for the next part. I'm just using washi tape here because this washi tape is really good for this. And I'm literally going to place it over the top of my sentiment, right in the middle. And I'm just going to trim it. I don't want it to be too wide. I'm just going to trim it off at the edges. And try and get that straight, because you'll notice that when we do the next part, the straight lines are really important. Then I'm going to put masking tape all the way around the outside. Okay, and to finish this off, I've got some lovely metallic sort of copper paint. I've got a wettish paintbrush just to sort of move it around a little bit, and then I'm just going to create some circles all the way around this card. Okay, eventually you will end up with all these circles around, and then you can slowly pull off your masking tape. It's really important to do lots of circles where your masking tape sort of meets your paper, because then that defines the lovely border that you're putting around. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you next time.